Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Another Warning from Your Watchman, not another judgment. Uh, for those of you that are not subscribed to The Matrix here with us yet, please click that subscribe button and do yourself a favor and go ahead and click the bell as well. So that way, anytime we post a new video, you can get the notifications. Um, So last time that we spoke on the video, we were talking about the one world freedom. From the two shall become one. Uh, Now, I wanted to point out before, though, that we did that, the Statue of Liberty here, okay, so there's two on this side, like we talked last time, two on this side, one on this side. I wanted to point out, though, that this right here is the same thing. All right, let's do that. And then let's go 11-point star. There we go. All right, here's the exact same thing that the Statue of Liberty is sitting on, or standing on, sorry. Statue of Liberty is standing on this. This right here is where the Statue of Liberty would be standing. I can't zoom in anymore, so I hope that you can see this. This is where the Statue of Liberty would be standing. And the two shall become one, okay? Real quickly though, as above, one is light and not colored in, and then so below, like I've been telling you guys, like we've been talking. All right, so let me switch the screen real quick here. I want to show you, prove to you guys that they are on an as above, so below agenda, one of the many agendas. So as above, and now all I'm going to do is turn this around. I didn't flip it over, and it's upside down. So you have as above, and then a bird turned upside down, so below, like a fallen angel. As above, so below. On my other shows, or on my other videos that we've done, I've showed you the legit occult related, however you want to call it. There's a saying, you can look it up, called as above, so below. That is one of the things that they follow. And the Statue of Liberty is standing on one of those. Okay, you saw that right there? This one right here? Alright, look. We'll look one more time. Actually, that I need to keep. And we'll go from there to here. Right here. Boom. See that? That is what that I just showed you. That is a transmutation circle. And scripture says, though I walk through the valley, watch. Just a second. Okay, so those of you that aren't familiar with this is eSword. This is basically a Bible dictionary. It's amazing. If you love the Bible and love knowing exactly what it's saying, you should get eSword. Alright, so I shall walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I'll fear no evil, etc., etc. Psalms 23:4. Alright, so check this out. I'm going to click on the word valley. Transmutation. Right there. Alright, so that one says transmutation. Yeah. So transmutation, that is my reasoning of bringing that scripture up. And that is what she is standing on, transmutation circle. All right, I got a little something extra for you guys. So we pointed out also that she's holding the light. The poem said that she is the mother of all exiles, and in her hand she holds the imprisoned lightning. Imprisoned lightning. All right, check this out. Luke 10:18, and he said unto them, unto them, I beheld Satan as lightning fall from heaven. Okay, so he saw Satan fall like lightning. Okay, all right, and we just read that she is the imprisoned lightning. She's holding the imprisoned lightning. Okay. What else do we got here? Over here. Another proof, line of proof, is the occult calls Lucifer the light bearer or light bringer or light bringing. Okay, there you go. Light of the moon, light bearer, bearing the light, and she's holding the imprisoned lightning in the valley of death, because remember, valley means transmutation. Okay, all right. So we went over the Statue of Liberty, so we can go out of that. The two shall become one. We've went over that. The fact that Bush reads Psalms 23, and that Obama reads Psalms 46, and that equals 23 chromosomes, male and female, V and V, 5 and 5, and then 23 chromosomes for each, okay, equaling 46. All right, so they do it all for a reason. We'll go ahead, since we talked a little bit about 9/11, and I actually had promised you guys that we would play this clip. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this, and then we'll get to some decodings and some scriptures. This, for those of you that haven't seen it, is right after the event of 9/11. Okay? Go ahead and exit out of the One World Freedom. And we'll do the rest of that stuff later. And go ahead and play this video for you guys. Alright. Zoom in. There we go. Make it large screen if I can. Alright, there we go.
Being down here now, as different as it looks, I still have those visuals, those images in my mind, in my head.
Now, if you ask me, what the heck are they freaking doing? You know what I mean? We'll see, though.
We're on, as a nation, efficient now, the suicide bombers. It happens in Israel on a daily basis.
Look at that. They're all wearing these satanic robes, and they're in the shape of an eye around this circle area.
Those are the things we have to be careful of now. We have to watch for now.
Do you expect suicide bomb planes struck the North Tower of the World Trade Center 1 year ago? Hundreds of people have gathered here at Ground Zero to mark.
Wow. A satanic ritual in the shape of, oh look, then even the Even the little company for the channel news has. I mean, I've been knowing that they have the eye. This is the exact same thing. The Eye of Horus. It's all Egyptian. All right. So I wanted to point that out for quite a while. So that's awesome that we got that. Okay. We've proved that she is basically the copycat of the Colossus of Rhodes. Okay, the Statue of Liberty, the real, Okay, so check it out. We'll brush up. Female, exit out. And she's standing on a transmutation circle. Remember that. So that was a female. So there's a female. Okay. And then you've also got the Colossus of Rhodes. That's the male. Okay. So then, and then remember from C to C on the poem. Okay. And we'll go over that again too later. But then once you got the male and the female, you've got the male and the female statue, Statue of Liberty, Colossus of Rhodes, and then now Baphomet, which is known as the Light Bearer, like we just went over. The imprisoned lightning. All right, that's what that is. Okay, so we've got that done. We've pointed out that he blasphemes and calls himself, says, I am God, be still and know that I am God. He reads the Psalms 46. I don't know, I guess I had 2 of those up. He reads the Psalms 46. I actually exited it out of the wrong thing, darn it. Oh well, that was the Statue of Liberty. We went over that. We have not went over that. That's the Baphomet statue. That's the new Colossus of Rhodes poem. All right. Remember again. From land to land. The Colossus of Rhodes real statue. All right. Now we'll go over something real quick for the One World Freedom. Remember, I talked about that he signed it. Okay, Obama signed the One World Freedom Tower. Now I found a better photograph though for you guys, and I'll find the Bible scripture for another video. But we've already went over that in Hebrew, the W is right here, is a 6. Okay, so you've got Obama signing the One World Freedom Tower right here. You've got him signing it, and this is what he wrote. And it says, finally we know what it says. We remember, we rebuild. That's biblical. It says that their towers will fall, or that their temples will fall, and that they will rebuild them. They did. Their temples fell. They did it. They tore them down themselves, and then they rebuilt the One World Freedom. So it says we rebuild, and then we come back stronger. WWW. All right, 666. That's what he did. All right, guys. Let's see what something small that we can go over to show you. Right here is Saint Stephen's in Germany. Okay, I'm going to show you that is a big dragon, sheep, and lotus before we get out of here. All right. So in green, I have highlighted for you guys and already decoded all of it. And you can go back and look at the original just by itself, and you'll see all of this afterwards. The green, here's the nose, here's the nose, here's the mouth, here's the other half of the mouth. The outline of the green is the sheep, is the dragon's head. Here's the top of the dragon's head. The sheep's eyes are the dragon's eyes. Here are the dragon's horns in purple. The sheep's ear goes down. The sheep's ear goes down. The tongue sticking out. It's decoded, guys. they're busted. See you next video. This is where we will leave off. I love you guys. Be blessed.